Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by launching Clipchamp and signing in. Once done, create a new project and pick an aspect ratio that matches your final platform. Import your clips and assets immediately, drag and drop or use Add Media, so everything is ready. Make sure to organize files into simple bins or folders. This reduces search time later. Now, place your primary clip onto the timeline as the first layer and set the project playback resolution. Doing this early prevents rework and keeps your edits consistent. You now focus on detailed timeline work. Trim and split clips to tighten pacing, and use ripple delete to close gaps quickly. Once the rough cut feels right, add transitions and titles. Remember, subtlety sells, don't overuse fancy effects. Apply color correction to balance exposure and white balance, and use overlays or picture-in-picture for emphasis. For audio, normalize levels, reduce background noise, and add keyframes to fix inconsistent dialogue. This combination keeps picture and sound professional and coherent. You finish by exporting. Open Export, pick resolution and frame rate, then choose a bitrate that balances quality and file size. Use a platform preset for quick uploads or custom settings for control. Enable hardware acceleration for faster renders when available. Save the file to a local folder and verify playback. If export stalls or the file is corrupt, check disk space first, update Clipchamp and GPU drivers, and, if needed, reduce bitrate or render a shorter test clip to isolate the problem.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.